In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video links in Card. If you want to showcase a video on your one-page site, this is a quick, clean way to do it without touching any code. First, open your browser and head over to Card. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your sites. On the home page, select Open Dashboard to view all your projects. From there, click the project you want to edit, and Card will open the builder so you can make changes in real time. Inside the builder, find the Add button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click it to bring up the element menu. Choose Video. This creates a new video element on your page and opens its settings panel on the side where you'll do the rest of the setup. In the settings, set the type to embed. This tells Card you're embedding a video from a platform like YouTube rather than uploading a file. Embed is best for performance and compatibility, since the video streams directly from YouTube. Next, paste the URL of the YouTube video into the URL field. You can copy the link from your browser's address bar or use YouTube's share link. Both work fine. If your link includes playlist or timestamp parameters and you don't want those, you can remove the extras so it's just the standard video URL. Make sure the video is public or unlisted. Private or age-restricted videos may not display for visitors. Now choose your thumbnail. You can leave it on auto to use YouTube's default thumbnail, which is quick and reliable. If you want a branded look, upload your own image instead. A clear, high-contrast image at a widescreen aspect ratio will look best. Keep the file size reasonable so your page stays fast. When everything looks good, click Done. That saves the settings and drops the video element onto your canvas. You can drag it to position it, resize it to fit your layout, and align it with your other content. Use the preview to check how it looks on desktop and mobile. If the video doesn't appear, double check that the type is set to embed and that the URL is a standard YouTube link. That's all you need to add YouTube video links in Card. Add as many as you like, place them where they make sense, and keep your thumbnails consistent for a polished result. Thanks for watching, and happy building.